What's up, YouTubers, Ford Escape people? It's an 02 Ford Escape with a broken rear shock. So let's do it. So these little things right here for your net, unscrew them. There's two of them, one here. Pop up this plastic trim panel here. Don't worry if the tabs break. It's the nature of the beast for things that are 20-something years old. And then just start pulling on the plastic. Pull it back. If you have a cigarette 12-volt adapter back here, just pop that out. And don't take the whole piece out. You just want to gain access to the top of the shock. Same thing over here. Just keep pulling on the plastic. Don't over pull on it because you'll break it. You gain access to the upper shock bolts. And then on the bottom, you can do this vehicle in ride, meaning doing it right on the ground. There's your lower shock bolts on both sides. So it's just pretty simple to do if you want to tackle it. I know also some of these cars, the body rots out for the shock. This actually is in very good condition, so we're gonna put a fresh set of shocks in this thing. Maybe somebody was getting their groove on. That's why that broke. Do you hear me?
Oh yeah.
Not likely, but that's crazy.
I thought that you started to turn it, and that's how.
Nah, that's how I found it.
Huh.
Thanks for watching.